Welcome to the video tutorial about how to use alignment functions in Road Alignment Plus. Using the set of alignment commands, you can do modification of alignment by aligning text or marking easting, northing text along the alignment, extract XYZ along a selected alignment, and move the text to the nearest point on the alignment. To access the alignment commands, in ESurvey CADD menu, click Road Alignment Plus and then click Alignment. From the submenu, you can select the desired option to execute alignment modification functions. The list of alignment commands is shown in the table. ALBIK Command. The ALBIK command is used to align text along the alignment line. Run the command ALBIK. Select the file containing the text in the format as shown. Select the alignment line. The text will be aligned along the alignment line as shown. MRTD Command. The MRTD command is used to mark easting, northing text along an alignment. Run the command MRTD. Select the entities and the alignment line. Enter the distance from the alignment where you want to mark the text. The easting, northing text is marked as shown. .3D Command. The 3D command is used to extract XYZ along a selected alignment. Run the command 3D. Type the starting chainage and increment. Select the chainage link. The XYZ is extracted along the selected alignment as shown. Select the insertion point and table will be inserted containing the chainage, easting, northing, and elevations. The respective data will be exported to an Excel file. MTDA Command. The MTDA command is used to move text to the nearest position on the alignment. Run the command MTDA. Select the entities and polyline or alignment where the text should be moved. The text will be moved to the alignment selected as shown. Thank you for watching this video. In this video tutorial, you have learned how to do alignment modification. In the next video, you will learn how to modify the longitudinal section band.